What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Virgin Galactic holdings, and we are coming in this on a day when Dr. Evil and his brother successfully launched their Blue Origin rocket above the Kármán line into, I think it was the 60 miles above the Earth, so just a little bit higher than Richard Branson, but I think in general this was a good day for both companies, and we'll get to why this was a very good day for Virgin Galactic. And we can see pretty much right when the Blue Origin rocket launched, there was a huge sell-off, and then almost as soon as it landed, we see lots of green volume to finish the day. Late rally finishing above that 50 EMA line, and the RSI is looking very good right now at 53.23. MACDs are looking pretty solid, just about touching though. Not much going on there with those. And let's take a quick peek at the Ortex data on this. 5 buy alerts, 5 hold alerts, only 1 sell alert here. We did have 21 insider sales of this, totaling $313 million. That is not great, but not too bad though. I'm sure they've got a good reason for that. Let's go over to the short interest here. We have 23.22 million shares on loan. Utilization rate is very high at 48.7%. And the free float on loan is also very high at 15.03%. Considering we have 240 million shares outstanding in the float. We're going to go over quickly to the dark pool on this. The short volume is, shorts are minus 3 billion on this in the short position here. Net short volume on this is minus 210 million USD. And we can see as the short interest is rising here, or the short volume is rising, the price is dropping. We did bounce off of a level of support here yesterday at 27.79. That is probably going to be the bottom for this. We zoom out a little bit on the chart. It looks like the downtrend has come to a halt. Here we've kind of leveled off here. This was the dilution announcement where they were going to be raising $500 million. Big sell-off there, still below the 50 EMA on the daily chart, but we've kind of slowed the descent, as it were, and looks like we are starting to level off, maybe rise back up again, maybe towards the end of the week. I'm gonna go over, check out the options, and the 32 calls are looking pretty good because I don't think this is going to get lower than that by Friday. I do think we could see 34 even. 35 might be a little bit of a stretch, but not out of the realm of possibility. But the 34s are definitely in play. 32s are one to look out for. We do have some of the highest volume on those, and the 31s. Puts are, yeah, these $37 puts, you're going to have to pay a high price for them, but we're probably not going to get above 37 by Friday, so that's a pretty safe bet there. And this is nice here. We got put to call interest is at 60% or 0.6 right now. So that's pretty good. Definitely a strong signal there. And we'll go to a couple of things. First one is going to be on the Blue Origin launch, and the second is going to be why this Blue Origin launch was good, actually good for Virgin Galactic. And so Dr. Evil did make it above the Kármán line at 100 kilometers above the ground and the internationally recognized boundary of space on board his company's Blue Origin fully automated and reusable New Shepard rocket, accompanied by brother Mark, Wally Funk, and an 18-year-old physics student, Oliver Damon, from the Netherlands. And Dr. Evil then goes on, amazing. I don't know how to put it into words. It was peaceful and calm, he told Anderson, Vanderbilt, CIA Cooper. The experience is huge for space exploration. Bezos said adding Blue Origin's mission is to build roads to space for future generations and for Virgin Galactic. We should protect Earth and push heavy industries out of Earth and safeguard it. It is going to take many decades, though. Booster touchdown. Third successful landing for this rocket and first to carry 4 private citizens to space above the Kármán line. There he is, Dr. Evil. So let's go to a couple of takeaways from the Blue Origin launch here. This was posted by Jamie CC4. Takeaways from the Blue Origin event. Bezos gave away $200 million today. He also gave $200 million last week to the National Air and Space Museum. This type of charity gives loads of good PR for space tourism. Specifically, Bezos gave a lot of money to someone who is on CNN quite frequently in Van Jones, which will definitely change their opinions on space tourism. Blue Origin will most likely transition to orbital, while Virgin Galactic stick to suborbital, and the way that New Shepard is designed, according to Bezos, is purposely inefficient for this purpose. This probably means that flying New Shepard is more expensive than Virgin Galactic's SS2, and so this is a big one. Wally Funk described Blue Origin's cabin as small, and supply will most likely be plenty for both of them. What really came out of this was an extremely bullish sentiment around the sector, as described by the most successful man on the planet, and his opinion means a lot. In addition, he boasted that almost $100 million in private ticket sales, which is also very bullish for Virgin Galactic. This, I like Midnight Square 4486. He's got a great take on this. I agree with you and will add that, in my opinion, Virgin Galactic suborbital space tourism experience is better than Blue Origin. I think both companies will aim for different paths along the way. Like you said, Blue Origin will try orbital and deep space exploration to compete with SpaceX, as Bezos and Elon Musk do not like each other very much. And Virgin Galactic will aim for hypersonic travel and create a commercial airline 2.0. I'm super bullish for the future. The answer is, how fast can Virgin and Blue Origin scale and reduce time to fly between flights? The cabin for Blue Origin was very cramped. They did also land in the fucking middle of the desert, which is not the best customer experience if it's going to be 130 degrees out there, and they have to wait to be picked up by the crew to bring them back to the launch site. And I believe Virgin Galactic was able to just land on a runway just like a normal plane would. So as far as suborbital space travel, Virgin Galactic looks to be the winner in that regard. So the future, I think, is going to be pretty bright for Virgin Galactic, and I'm going to continue to keep an eye on this for you guys. And so, as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Virgin Galactic, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.